In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the iPad home button to appear on your iPad. So if for some reason the home button isn't working on your iPad, then you may want to bring up this virtual home button. So in order to do this, we just need to open up the settings application on your iPad. And from the left-hand navigation, scroll down and click on accessibility. And then from the list of options, select touch. Now, right at the top here, you have this option for AssistiveTouch. Go ahead and click on this. And we just want to turn on and enable the AssistiveTouch feature. So you can see as soon as we do this, we get this virtual home button that appears on the iPad. Now you can reposition this to anywhere you want on the iPad just by dragging it. And if we go ahead and click on this button, you can see it will bring up this control center. So you can actually customize this control center, or you can actually change this button just so it goes straight to the home screen. And we can do that by coming back over to the settings and clicking on customize top level menu. And then from here, we can go and customize this control center. So let's say, for example, we wanted to get rid of all of the applications inside here, and the only thing we're going to leave is the home button. And once you've done that, if I come back over to my home screen and I now click on this button, all it's going to simply do is take you over to the home screen on your iPad. So you can basically customize this so it does whatever you need it to do. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.